Have you ever thought about how some ancient wellness wisdom could actually solve our super modern problems? Well, today we're going to dive into that. We're going to unlock the secrets of something you probably have in your pantry right now, the black bean, all through the lens of traditional Chinese medicine. It's all about how this one simple food can bring a little more balance to our crazy, busy lives.
Okay, let's just start with this. It's an old saying from traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, and it goes, "One black bean nourishes the entire body." Now that's a pretty bold claim, isn't it? It frames this little bean not just as food, but as this piece of time-tested knowledge for our overall health.
So that's the big question, right? Is this just some old wives' tale, or is it actual practical wisdom we can use to feel better today? We're going to see how we can mix these ancient ideas with our modern health goals and see what happens. Let's find out. Now here's the secret sauce. It's not just about the black bean itself, but how you use it. And that brings us to this really cool concept in TCM called golden pairings. The whole idea is that an ingredient's true power, its real potential, is unlocked when you combine it with the perfect partner. It's kind of like a key and a lock. On their own, they're just objects, but put them together and they open a door. All right, so let's get practical. First up, we're looking at pairings that are all about boosting your core vitality. You know, that deep down energy and warmth that kind of powers everything else you do. Have you ever felt that? A chill that's so deep inside you that no sweater or blanket can seem to touch it. Well, according to TCM, that can be a sign that things are a little out of balance internally. So, what's the golden pairing for that? The answer is this perfect team up: black beans and ginger. I mean, we all know ginger is famous for its warming kick, right? So when you combine that with the nourishing power of the black bean, they work together to literally warm your body from the inside out and kick that inner cold to the curb. Okay, here's another one I think we can all relate to, especially with how busy life gets. That feeling of just being totally drained. Like you're not just tired, you're running on fumes. So what's the pairing for this one? It's black beans with red dates. In TCM, this duo is known to nourish your qi and blood. The easiest way to think about it is qi is like your body's battery, your life force, and blood is the foundation of your physical body. So putting them together is like a natural way to recharge your battery when you're feeling totally depleted. Okay, now let's shift gears and talk about finding some daily harmony. This next part is all about tackling those really common modern problems. Things like restless nights or those tired, screen-strained eyes, and how these ancient pairings can offer real solutions. I mean, who hasn't been there? Just staring at the ceiling, your mind is racing, and you're just begging for a good night's sleep. It's got to be one of the biggest wellness struggles in our modern world. The golden pairing here is black beans with longan fruit. Traditionally, longan is used to nourish the heart and just calm the spirit. So when you pair it with black beans, you get this gentle, soothing combo that helps ease that racing mind and helps you sink into a deeper, more refreshing sleep. Oh, this one is for pretty much everyone. That gritty, tired, achy feeling in your eyes after hours staring at a screen. It is a uniquely modern problem for sure.
And believe it or not, there's an ancient pairing for this very modern issue: black beans and goji berries. Goji berries have had this reputation in TCM for centuries for being amazing for your vision. So together, this pair works to nourish your eyes and brighten your sight, helping to fight back against all that screen fatigue.
Okay, let's just pull this all together into a quick little cheat sheet. If you're low on energy, think black beans and red dates. For poor sleep, it's black beans and longan. And for that eye strain, black beans and goji berries. See? It's a perfect little guide for turning your own pantry into a wellness toolkit. And that really is the heart of it all. This isn't about some complicated regimen or buying expensive supplements. Your path to feeling more balanced, to feeling better, can literally start with one simple thing you already have in your kitchen.
And what's the cost of admission to try this out? Zero. Nothing. This is all about using the wisdom and the ingredients that are already around you. It's so accessible, it's simple, and honestly, it's pretty empowering.
At the end of the day, that's the core idea. It's not about attacking symptoms. It's about creating harmony inside your body. It's about looking at your kitchen not just as a place to make meals, but as a place full of powerful tools to help you find that balance every single day. So we'll just leave you with this question to chew on. If the humble little black bean holds this much potential, what other ancient wellness secrets are hiding in plain sight, right there in your pantry, just waiting for you to rediscover them? Thanks for tuning in.